Hey guys, it's Katie with 4 Patriots, and this week we have a very exciting episode. We here at 4 Patriots want to give one lucky person $4,671 worth of products. Now, you might be thinking, Katie, that can't be true. Why would you give away so much stuff? Well, September is coming up, and I don't know if you know this, but September is National Preparedness Month. And we want to be sure that we are doing our part to make sure that you Patriots are prepared for whatever comes next. So, what's in this giveaway? Let's take a look. First, we have the Liberty Band radio. This gadget has not one, but 4 charging options. Next, we have the Sun Kettle. Boil water with just the power of the sun. Let's see how hot this is. Ooh, steamy. It's good. Next, we have the HaloXT multi-use flashlight. This flashlight has 9 life-saving functions. Next, we have the BugOUT lantern. This guy has a self-cleaning brush. Let's see if we can activate it. Next is the Patriot power cell. Never be without power on the go again. Next is the solar Sentry light. Keep your property safe and protected with this solar security light. This is a big one. We have the 4-week survival food kit. This baby has an entire month's worth of food in it. The Blackout Response Guide, your complete survival checklist. The top 7 reasons why the grid will fail. The 3 hidden dangers of the smart grid. 72-hour survival food kit. The solar air lantern. 4 USB rechargeable batteries. Wow, I'm kind of tired of giving away stuff. But I can't forget the main attraction. The Patriot Power Generator 1800 with a solar panel and 25-foot extension cord. Wow, talk about a massive giveaway. We may never give this much product away again. Okay, so here's the important part. All the details about how to enter are in the description below. And the cool thing is there are 4 ways to enter into this giveaway. But don't miss out on this opportunity to win all of this because it's only lasting a few days. Scroll down to the description of this video and click on the giveaway link. While you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck.